Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful banking comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This comparison reflects my personal experience and research. Choosing the right bank can be a big decision. In this video, we're comparing Fifth Third Bank and Harris to help you determine the best fit for your financial needs. Fifth Third Bank offers a comprehensive suite of banking services, covering everything from checking and savings accounts to credit cards, loans, and even investment options. Their credit card rewards program is a definite plus, offering cashback, travel rewards, or points, a great perk for those who want to earn while they spend. Managing your finances on the go is easy with Fifth Third's highly rated mobile app, which allows for seamless account management, check deposits, and bill pay. With a strong presence across the Midwest and Southeast, Fifth Third boasts a wide network of branches and ATMs. Furthermore, their robust small business banking services make them an attractive option for entrepreneurs. For those looking to grow their wealth, Fifth Third also provides financial planning and investment management services. Harris, while operating on a more regional scale primarily in the Midwest and parts of the South, offers a solid lineup of banking products. These include checking and savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. A standout feature is their Harris Smart Money program, equipping customers with valuable tools to enhance their financial management and decision-making. Their mobile app provides efficient and user-friendly access to account information and transactions. Harris has also earned a strong reputation for its business banking services, particularly catering to the needs of small and medium-sized businesses. Additionally, Harris offers competitive mortgage rates and a variety of options, making them a compelling choice for first-time homebuyers and those considering refinancing. To summarize, if a large, nationally recognized bank with a robust rewards program and comprehensive financial planning services appeals to you, Fifth Third Bank may be the ideal choice. However, if you value a regional banking experience with a strong emphasis on business banking and competitive mortgage options, Harris might be a better fit. For more in-depth information on both banks, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.